Hey there! Today I have another clothing rental service to try, and it's called Haverdash, and it's a service that is from the same company that runs the rental service for Loft and other companies. And it is very similar to the Infinitely Loft, where you get 3 items of clothing that you're renting at a time, and they have free shipping both ways, and you pay a flat monthly rental fee of $59, so it's a little bit cheaper than the Infinitely Loft. One thing though, it is supposedly geared towards millennials, so I'm not a millennial, just a disclosure, but yeah, I thought I'd give it a try. A lot of the clothes look like brands that I see at stores that I like Nordstrom, and also like other clothing services like Transcend and Golden Tote. I saw some overlap. So I'll put some information in the description box below as to how Haverdash works, along with my referral link in case you want to check it out. But anyway, let's go ahead and see what I got in my very first Haverdash box. Let's see. Here's what the box looks like inside. Everything's nicely wrapped. And there's a little card here. It says, "Welcome, get ready to enjoy a constant rotation of new wear now styles, so get dressed and get going." Okay, so here's my bundle of stuff. And these were all items that I selected from their website, and I put it in my virtual closet. And I noticed 2 of these items, and there are 3, were ones that I actually had put as priority. So the first item in my Haverdash box is a blazer. And this is from Gilly, which is a brand that I really like, and I get Gilly a lot from my mix and match box, and sometimes also from Golden Tote. But yeah, it's just a very unstructured, loose blazer. It's navy, and it's kind of a textured feeling material. And I got it in a size small, and it says my buyout price is $51, which reflects a 10% discount. So yeah, that's kind of a wimpy discount, to be honest, compared to what I was getting from Infinitely Loft. But yeah, this is cute. One thing I noticed though, Haverdash did not have petite sizes, and I am only 5'1", so that might make it harder for me to find things. Next, I got this blouse. And this is by Collective Concepts. It's a size small. And yeah, it's just kind of a cute, basic blouse with a kind of a blousey sleeve. Yeah, this was not one of my priorities, but it was in my closet. I mean, it's okay, it's cute. I could actually wear this tomorrow, I think, to work. It does look a little big, but it is a size small. But Collective Concepts is a brand that I like. I get it a lot from Golden Tote. So yeah, this is actually pretty cute. I think I could wear this with jeans. And the buyout price for this blouse is $43, which reflects a 10% discount. Okay, and lastly, I got this dress. Ugh. I thought this was fun. It's by Donna Morgan, and I got a size 4. I think that was my suggested size. And it has these cherries. I think this is really cute. So either this will be super cute, or I'll look like a 50s housewife. But you know, I just thought it was something different, and since this is a clothing rental service, you know, it's a good way to take some style risks or take some chances. So yeah, I think this is kind of cute. And for this one, the buyout price was $68 if I were to buy it, and that reflects a 42% off retail price. Anyway, yeah, so everything looks nice, smells okay. It doesn't smell like you know, used clothing, like, you know, when you order stuff from ThredUp, it has a certain smell. But yeah, these smell fine. So I'm gonna go ahead probably tomorrow morning and try everything on, and then I'll decide what I'm gonna wear. I'll probably wear one of these things tomorrow, and yeah. But okay, we'll do that. Okay, good morning. It's the next day. So I got up early this morning to try on these items of clothing to see what I'll wear to work today. So the first item is this really oversized blazer from Gilly. And yeah, you know, I tried styling it as best I could based on, I looked at the picture from the website, and they had it with like a cami and a white cami and some light wash jeans. So I have this cami that's actually a couple years old that I got from Loft. That's actually kind of cute, and I never wore. Actually, I never wear this. I think I've maybe worn it once, but I don't know. I think the proportions of this jacket or blazer are just too big. Also, the material, it's kind of scratchy. It's a polyester, so yeah, it's not the most comfortable thing, even though it looks comfortable. But anyway, it's more of a polyester crepe. But yeah, I mean, it's okay. I think just for me, it doesn't look that nice because I'm so short. But yeah, so it's the first item, and I might just send this back. Okay, and here's the blouse. And this is size small by Collective Concepts. And you see it has these kind of flowy sleeves. It has a cute wrap front tie. But this is not a true wrap. It's actually sewn like this. So I think that's actually a flaw in the design, because you basically, this is all tacked in. You have to put it on, and it's not a stretch material, it's just a polyester. So it was kind of hard to put on. And I would say this is the right size for me, but because it's very constricting, it's not comfortable. So, I mean, I think this is a cute looking top, but I'm probably not gonna wear this. So if I had bought this online and gotten it, and yeah, I probably would have either returned it or just never worn this. But it's good to try. I think it does look cute, but yeah, it's just not for me. Okay, so here is the last item, which is this dress. And this is by Donna Morgan, which is a brand I don't think I've ever bought from before. But yeah, actually this is really cute. This is my favorite. And it was kind of a wild card. I wasn't sure if I was gonna like it. I thought I'd look kind of like 50s-ish, but it's actually really cute. And it does have this really full skirt, but I don't feel that this is unflattering. And even with this length being below the knee, I think it still looks pretty nice. I think it's just the way it's cut. It's very like fitted on top and flowy on the bottom, so it has the right proportions. It actually has pockets somewhere. They're hard to find. Oh, here they are. Here's one. They're hidden. And two. So yeah, isn't this actually really cute? Let's try it with a denim jacket. But yeah, okay, so this is what I'll be wearing today, and the other two I think I'll just be sending back. But I think with this service, it might take some tries before I get the sizes right. Okay, so some overall thoughts on Haverdash. So for my first box, I thought, you know, it was kind of some hits and misses. The Gilly blazer was definitely too oversized, and the Collective Concepts blouse just didn't feel comfortable for me. But I did actually really like the Donna Morgan dress with the cherries on top. I thought that was a really cute dress, and I wore it to work. And actually, I had a lot of positive feedback, and people thought it was nice. So yeah, it worked out. It was something that I definitely wouldn't have bought on my own, but it's kind of fun to try something different. So I think that's probably one of the positives of doing a service like Haverdash or a clothing rental service, that, you know, it allows you to try out different styles or trends without having to purchase things. That being said, though, you know, you are paying, you know, $60 a month basically just to rent clothing, and sometimes you're going to just try things on and send it back. So of the 3 items, 2 of them I'm just sending it back, and I have it in this bag, and I'm going to just drop in the mail. Actually, I was going to drop it in the mail yesterday, but I forgot, unfortunately. So that just extends the time until I get my next box. But yeah, I think shipping does seem to be pretty quick. I did the return notify online, and so I think once my bag gets dropped off at the post office and starts tracking, you know, they'll probably send out my next box. So I guess in a nutshell, my thoughts. This is a good service if you are looking to try new trends, you already have a lot of clothes, if your closet's already pretty full and you really don't want to add more to your closet situation, and also if you want to be more sustainable, because as an alternative to fast fashion, where, you know, you buy things that are really inexpensive but then end up wearing it once anyway, I think this could be a good alternative for you. But on the downside though, if you are one to just buy quality clothes, spend more and get items that you're going to continuously wear, multiple times and for years, this is not a good idea. Because you're basically renting. It's just like the whole idea of leasing a car versus buying a car. Are you a car buyer or are you a car leaser? I think. But for me, I usually buy my cars, but I'm willing to try renting clothes just to see. So anyway, that's all I have for today. I will continue with this service since I already signed up for a month. But anyway, that's all I have for today's video. I hope it's been helpful and somewhat entertaining. And I will be bringing in one of my 2 furry friends, not the cat, to help close this out. They're all sleeping except for Molly here. Well, let's go with Kaya. Hi Kaya, come here. Come here, baby. And here is Miss Kaya. And she's a very sweet Cavalier King Charles Spaniel. And she's 3 years old and she hates to get her teeth brushed. Yeah, we're working on that. Oh, and she likes to play with Molly, but Molly doesn't like to play with her, unfortunately. But anyway, that's all I have for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. I do a lot of shopping hauls and unboxing videos. And if you enjoy watching those kind of videos, please consider subscribing, and I'll see you next time. Bye now.